Hey, it's Cooking with the Sam, filmed in front of a live studio audience. We're making carrot cake, eggs. I got a little shell in there. Oil. You need.
Be careful.
Sugar.
That's not a whole cup.
No, that's a cup.
No, it's gotta be full to the ground.
We don't need that much sugar.
You might say otherwise later.
It's a whole cup.
That's a tablespoon.
Same thing, right? A teaspoon, tablespoon.
No.
What part of the other ones? Yeah. No. Oh no. No, that's gonna taste terrible.
This is our live studio audience, always giving input when they're not wanted. Thanks.
You should probably scoop out.
Let's get some of this out of here.
Just get that out of there. This is...
Are those clean? Is there dirt on them?
Guys, you're all about the unsanitary, but me personally,
It's from the earth, and we all know earth is clean.
Eat organic.
It's inorganic.
time for you to add a cup of flour
Into the mix,
and a teaspoon of baking soda.
spicing things up, I see.
Cup of flour.
Cracking open the
No,
code.
I don't think that's part of the recipe.
That's part of... I swear, you said Doritos, right? You said a bottle of Doritos.
Flour.
Oh, no, you said Doritos. You said that. You said that, right? You said that, right? Right? Guys, I'm glad we're not doing that other flour.
You
cook
should
again.
taste it.
Yeah, cook's always gotta taste the raw eggs.
You want to give a quick salmonella warning?
Salmonella warning? Guys, salmonella is a real thing, and it's no good. Don't do salmonella. So, how much flour are we doing?
A cup.
You said a cup. You said another drop of
7.
Doritos, right?
You need 1.5 cups of grated carrots.
Grated?
Yeah, you gotta grate them. What grade do these carrots get?
Well, they get like just on smell alone. These are like maybe 16 out of 10 because we're sponsored by carrots. Buy carrots today.
There's a small grain.
Yeah. I mean, mamma mia. Ow. So to get baby carrots, naturally you just want to... And then you have baby carrots. Then from there, just go ahead and put those together and then just... Then you have even babier carrots. Just put some perforated carrots right in there. So guys, naturally when buying carrots, you don't just want to pick, your ordinary carrots. That's a boring man's game. And also a racist man's game. See, I buy racially appropriate carrots. See, you got all the colors identified here, so no one's left out, and it's also racially appropriate. End of message.
What time is it?
It's more carrot trading time. This is it's so boring, man. This is not why I signed up to be a chef. I signed up to be a chef because it was funny. But no, I gotta shred carrots now. Yeah. You think Gordon Ramsay is busy shredding carrots? No, he's making funny comments about people's terrible cooking. I wanna make funny comments about people's terrible cooking. This is dumb. Let's get some... That's good. That's good. So dumb, but it doesn't even make any sense. What are the carrots in this cake? This is so dumb. Carrots don't belong in cake. Chocolate belongs in cake. Maybe even pumpkin belongs in cake, not carrots. You put carrot in cake. It's like putting dumb in your cake. So dumb. Gordon Ramsay doesn't put cake on his cake. Carrots in there. So dumb. Bobby Flay doesn't do this. Bobby Flay doesn't shred his own carrots. Well, I have to shred my own carrots. hate this. So much shredding. Man, Guy Fieri doesn't even shred carrots. He just gets to eat hamburgers. I want to eat hamburgers. Those hamburgers don't even have carrots in them. Carrots are dumb. Cut that out. Let's get that right. Just smear it on the bottom, guys, alright? This is how Bobby Flay does this. Just heads up. The hand just gives it a nice, like, organic touch to the pan. Just makes it feel right. This is probably not enough butter, right? We wanted to see like chunks everywhere, right? Like.
Oh, sorry. What? Bake in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes.
This is a dangerous game. This is like 400 degrees in here. I don't want. Okay, butter it up, boys. Do I go bottom tray, top tray, both trays?
Middle tray.
That's a tight space.
Go top. Go top. Go top. Go top.
Really?
Oh my goodness. He's a madman.
We'll be back later. Womp, womp, womp. Wow. Cooking emergency! I forgot to put the cinnamon in the cake, so we're going in for a reconnaissance mission. We're gonna put it in there, alright?
Don't do that. Take out the cake first. No, there's no way. There's no way.
Watch me.
Take out the cake.
Mission accomplished, guys. We gotta commit.
1 teaspoon.
Nah, easy peasy, guys. Alright, guys. Mission is halfway over. Now the real challenge begins. Whoa, okay. Alright, let's go. Honestly, I'm a man of many strengths, and one of them is eating cinnamon by itself. This is a good amount to die with. Alright guys, I'm a man. Alright. I'll admit when I'm wrong. The live audience is scared for my actual life. So I'll dial it back a notch. Pretty good. I'm like, I'm a guy you could go bowling with, Like, I'm not one of those celebrities who's too stuck up to go with the middle class, I'm like, down to earth. I'm hip and groovy, I go to McDonald's with you,
Hey, Mr. Hip and Groovy, can we get started here?
Oh, yeah. I was just talking to myself. Oh, were you recording? I was just talking to myself. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll start. Yeah, cool. Whatever. What's a pirate's favorite shug? This sugar. Guys, I need someone. Where's the line? How much butter are we doing?
All right, we need. This is the hard part. Reading the directions.
This is the hard part. I'm doing the hard part. You have to read some little tiny words with your eyeballs.
Quarter cup of butter. Quarter cup of butter. Let's go.
You could like. How do you even open this? This is some sort of sorcery. Someone open that. Well, I'm getting some maintenance to open that. It's it's a little hard for my delicate, strong man hands of mine to open that. It's just because I'm so talented. It's like some things, you guys get it. You guys understand what's happening. All right, so now we just gonna do. Okay, it's nice and mixed. So this is what we want to happen. All right, this is like boom bada bing, and we have frosting.
How'd it turn out?
Actually, not the worst.
How about a little bit of orange?
Oh yeah, let's get some orange in there. Honestly, guys, all your food should just have color. All your food should just have color, guys. This is just what you want to do is just want to flow that in. You bakers here, you know what's going on right now, right? This is the bathing part of the cake. All good bakers know. You just want to let your cake soak in its own, like frosting, because frosting naturally is supposed to be like nice and liquid. You know what I'm saying? So let's just go ahead and I'm a corners man personally, so I'm gonna take one right out of the corner. You know how I be. You just want to let that soak right in there. I'm glad I got this much cake for this, you know. And then from here, you just want to take your knife, just drizzle that right over there. Yeah, just drizzle that. Just make a little pentagram. You know, just you know, whatever decoration you like. And then boom, it's time to eat. It's amazing. Everyone start clapping.